How to reset HDFC NetBanking password? First of all, open your browser and visit the official HDFC Bank website at www.hdfcbank.com. On the home page, click the login button at the top right and select Net Banking from the options. If you have forgotten your customer ID, click on the Forgot Customer ID link on the login page. Then you will need to provide your registered mobile number and registered email ID to recover your customer ID. Follow the instructions to receive your customer ID via SMS or email. Once you have your customer ID, go back to the Net Banking login page and click on the Forgot IPIN link below the login fields. Enter your recovered customer ID, complete the security CAPTCHA, and click Continue. Now, verify your identity by choosing either OTP verification on your registered mobile number or by entering your debit card details and PIN. After successful verification, you will be prompted to create a new IPIN. Choose a strong, secure password and keep it confidential. Once done, you will get confirmation that your password has been reset successfully. Finally, return to the login page and use your customer ID and new IPIN to access your HDFC NetBanking account. And that's it. Now you know how to reset your HDFC NetBanking password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.